Good afternoon of the May long weekend, everyone. Natasha Laframboise here, sales representative with the Laframboise Team with Realty Executives. I just wanted to take a minute and do a quick video to let you know that we have open houses this weekend. So we are going to be out at some of our listings doing open houses. We have 3. So I don't know if you've checked out our website, but we have our own branded website. So if you go on the website and you go up here to listings, you can click on our open houses and they will all be there for you. So the first one we have is at 435 First Avenue East. So this home is centrally located. It has 3 bedrooms upstairs, 2 bathrooms, so 1 upstairs and 1 in the basement. It has a nice room off the back that looks out to a nice big backyard, and there's a detached garage there as well. So that one's listed at $229,900. You will find Phil there between 10:30 and 11:30. And of course, you can go on our website and check out all the photos. And again, we have our wonderful school bus eligibility button. So if you click on that, it'll take you to the transportation page. You can punch in the address there and see what your bus routes are for the schools in the area if you have children. Now, our other open house that we have is at 17 Shore Acres Boulevard. So of course, the long weekends, we start thinking about stairs. 3 are a really good size. 1 is used as an office. You have a 2-piece ensuite, master ensuite, as well as a updated 4-piece bathroom up there. You also have right beside the kitchen here, there is a 2-piece bathroom on the main floor. If you go downstairs, that's the downstairs door, it's a finished basement. You have a 5th bedroom down there, as well as the access to the garage. So when you pull into the garage, that door would lead downstairs and then right up to the kitchen. You also have 2 finished rec rooms down there, a 3-piece bathroom. So if you are using the lovely beach, once our Lake Nipissing goes back down, there's a lovely sandy beach. Then you can go into the house through the side door and use the downstairs bathroom, which as a mom is important to me so that sand isn't being trucked into the house every time someone needs to go in. You can just go downstairs. So Matt is going to be there between 10:30 and 12 o'clock. That's Shore Acres. Now this one as well, if you scroll down, you can click here and go through the 3D virtual tour. So as you can see here, the tour will come up. You can make that a wide screen and you can tour around the whole house. You can walk around. Look at that view. Look at that. So nice. Even in the wintertime, it was beautiful. You have AC. It's a ductless AC, so there's a few of those units around the house. Gas fireplaces. You can go into the kitchen here. Uh-oh. There we go. Frozen. So you can walk through the house and see that's down to the basement, and then the bathroom is right here. Wonk. Right there. Anyways, you can go and explore that if you like off our website. There's also a little video too. Look at that. Is there a more Canadian photo, Northern Ontario photo than that right there? Beautiful. And then we have our map. So if you need to know how to get to us, you can go right there as well. Next on our open house list, we have 168 McNaughton. So this one's up on Airport. Oh, my phone's going off here. This one's up on Airport. It's a bungalow. You'll see a little wear on the roof there in these photos, but the roof was just completed. So it was re-shingled this week, and I believe that's being finished up today. So you're going to see that has been completed. Escape. So you have a beautiful kitchen here. There's granite countertops in the kitchen. Look at that. So nice and bright. I love their light fixtures. It looks out into the dining room. See right there. So nice. Lots of space here. You have 3 bedrooms on the main floor. Again, there's their main living room with hardwood floors that gets carried all the way back down the hallway. Now in the bedrooms, there's carpet, but there is hardwood, well, different hardwood than what you see here underneath those carpets as well. So if you didn't want the carpet, there is some hardwood underneath it. You have a lovely updated main bath on the main floor. There's one of the bedrooms there. Downstairs, you have a full rec room A games room or a play room, what they're using it as now, would definitely be large enough for a pool table as well. And then another bedroom downstairs with a 3-piece bathroom. It's heated with a Rinnai gas heater on the main floor, and a gas fireplace downstairs is how they heat the home primarily. So I'm going to be at that one between 10:30 and 11:30, and see how you can walk down here right to the backyard, that patio door, and then this door here is to the garage. There's a nice entranceway too, so there's a big closet. So when everybody's coming in, whether it's from the garage or the front door, you have somewhere to put everything. So there's the basement, and there's that fireplace down there. Nice big laundry room as well. It's laminate downstairs. There's pot lights. Really nice home. If you want to come check it out, up on Airport again. Seems to be the place to be this spring. That one's listed at $379.9. I'll be there from 10:30 to 11:30. Again, you can click on here. Vincent Massey is the closest school with the ski hill. But again, if you wanted to go in and check your eligibility for your schools, you can click on that lovely little button right there and find that out. This one as well has a 3D tour, so you can click on that and take a walk through the property. So these icons on the outside of what we call the dollhouse view will take you outside. So you can click on those, and then you can tour around and check out what that's like. The green ones will take you to another outside 3D tour, whereas the blue ones will take you in the house. So this one took us into the basement. Pretty cool. And we're going to have our virtual VR glasses, Google Cardboard glasses with us as well. So if you want to check those out, just ask one of us and we will show you how that works. So those are our open houses. Again, we are around this long weekend. We will be at the different properties for that, or if you have any inquiries about any of our other properties while you're browsing our website, I'm moving out of the bubble there, you're welcome to reach out to us through email or a phone call. We are here. So have a great long weekend, everybody. Hopefully you get some time to relax. Hopefully we see the sun a whole bunch this weekend. We are due. We need some, and not too much rain, and we will see you soon. Thanks, everyone. Natasha Laframboise, sales representative with the Laframboise Team with Realty Executives.